US Secretary of State Pompeo welcomed some persecuted Uyghurs as guests. Amongst others, he met Mihigri Tosun, who escaped from such a detention center. Robert Palladino, Foreign Ministry spokesman, said in a written statement that Gulcere Hoxha, Firkat Cevdet, and Arafat Erkin, as well as Mihigri Tosun, were received, whose relatives are still being detained in internment camps. Palladino calls on the Chinese government to immediately release the arbitrary detainees. Deng Li, the Chinese consul in Ankara, said that one of China's main goals is to invest up to $6 billion in Turkey by 2021. Li emphasized that China has invested significant investment in Turkey's infrastructure system in recent years. In an attack on a police station by a self-made explosive charge, 3 people were injured while the assassin was killed. The incident occurred in Shenyang, with the target being a traffic police security office. First, the attacker lit the station and then blew himself up. The Chinese authorities have been trying to keep the attack under wraps. Russian President Vladimir Putin announced a closer military and technological cooperation between Russia and Kyrgyzstan. Putin met the president of Kyrgyzstan's Sooronbay. Shortly afterwards, a spokesman announced that Russia is an important, trusted, and strategic partner of Kyrgyzstan. The interim president of Venezuela, Juan Guaido, gets 15 years of professional ban imposed in the civil service. Elvis Amoroso, a government official, told Venezuelan TV that Guaido is disqualified from any activity in government institutions for the agreed period.